Before we start the video, just want to say I took out the beginning of the intro because that got copyright claims in the first video, so we're just not gonna have that in for now on. And if the music here gets copyright, we're gonna take that out too. So yeah. By the time you're seeing this, CR graphics already finished being put on. Cause I wasn't gonna make a video about this until I really thought about it, and I figured it'd be a good idea. But that was while we were halfway through the process of putting them on. So how are we doing today, guys? Today we're gonna be putting the graphics on my 2002 CR125R. Let's get right into it. So, putting graphics here. Well, we already put the graphics on, but we got to pick up some graphics for the 02 CR125, and we're in the process of throwing them on. So we got the front tire off and everything, because you gotta take the front tire off to get the fork guards off. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna show you how she looks when we put all the plastics on. We're kind of going backwards because we kind of are just starting to build, but we're already putting graphics on, but whatever. Right here, and I'm gonna clean up this seat so it'll go great with the graphics, so they're not really this doesn't really stick out like a sore thumb with the new graphics on the bike. So I got the seat cleaned up, took me all of 3 minutes, so got this back to white. It doesn't really show up as white on the camera as well as I would hope it would, but trust me, it's white. And yeah, it's back to black. Now we're gonna come over here to the front number plate. Needs some attention now that everything's all shiny and red, and that's the only thing that's not getting graphics on it today. We're gonna take some WD-40 to it, which really shines up plastic well, and we're gonna see how that looks. So yeah. So as you can see, this front number plate shined up so much better just from using some WD-40, which is heavy duty silicone. It's like, I don't know, like $3 a can at Walmart, whatever. So by using that, just makes your bike look brand new. So right here we have the front fork guards, which, as I've said many times, we have to take off the front wheel to get to, which is absolutely stupid. I don't know what Honda was thinking there. Maybe I'm pretty sure it's just the way the suspension was and the Polysport molds. But you just wash these with some bleach and water in the bathtub, and they cleaned it pretty nice. So we're just gonna spray them down with contact cleaner and get the graphics on, which are right here. Here's the bleach in the bathtub we were talking about. It's not all bleach, but the bleach and water in the bathtub. So if you saw what these look like before, I mean, they look a million times better already. And this is the bad one. Wait till you see the one we have on the bike right now that we did in here. Looks fantastic. We're also hitting it with the heat gun. Melt off the surface layer of gloss, buff it out so you get all the scratches out, and then it'll solidify again and it'll look great. So I'm gonna get the scrubbing on this, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. So here it is, the finished CR125R. Well, not finished, but graphics are all put on. So yeah, this is my announcement of the bike build that we're going to be starting. Kind of going backwards because we put all the graphics on, the finishing touches, before we started the bike, but it's got a fresh motor rebuild on it already when we bought it, so why not, right? You know, so it's just going to be a little things we're going to go through and do. Like some triple clamps, it needs fork seals, it needs a pipe because it is stowed. like 2 riding clips of Redneck Joe. He's gonna be at the Mass Boys, and he's really just a crazy one out of all of us. He makes fun of me from here and sombreros, sings kayaks, and wheelies lawn mowers. So thanks for watching as always. Got this beautiful row of machines back here. If you happen to enjoy this video, leave a like, feel free to subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.